In this video I will share with you 30 simple tips to keep a relationship strong. Before we get started, please like, share, comment and subscribe for more great content. Also check out the link below in the description. So, without further ado, let's get started. 1. Be honest and stay loyal. Rule number 1. To prevent getting caught of cheating, don't cheat in the first place. Be honest and sincere with your words and action. If you were to have an affair with somebody and get caught, I can assure you that trust issues will exist forever even though your partner appears to forgive you. 2. Make time to catch up. Nothing is more crucial than spending time together in a relationship. Always make an effort to spend time with each other, even though just a quick meal. In other words, hanging out or relaxing together maintains intimacy and keeps your relationship strong. 3. Share your story. You may feel tired repeating the same story over and over again with your colleagues, family and then your partner. However, a relationship requires effort to maintain. Therefore, always share each other's stories to keep the connection strong. 4. Listen to each other. Listen to your partner, not just sit and hear without a word going into your head. Instead of just nodding and responding with, okay, yeah, try asking questions and shows your interest. Your partner will feel that you are trying to take care of his or her feelings and being understanding. 5. Love them, just the way they are. Everyone has flaws and no one is perfect. A lifelong relationship lies where a couple accepts each other in every way, from physical appearance to daily habits. Understand the difference between you and your partner and don't try to change them. Never compare your partner with your ex. 6. Don't make empty promises. Promises sound sweet as ever when they are made. If you don't want your partner to haunt you with your empty promises later, please don't pledge anything you can't do. 7. Set couple goals. Make a list of what both of you want to achieve together and celebrate wins. Couple goals enable both of you to have a positive outlook with this relationship and ensure that you're both moving in the same direction. Want to try out new restaurants? Have a trip? Save $5,000? Take out your paper and pens now. 8. Speak up your mind. Communication is the key to a strong and healthy relationship. Relationship is a two-way process, just like communication. Voice out your problem, feelings, and confusion. Never make expectations and assumptions like, I thought you'd know, understand, I thought you like it, I thought you will. 9. Show your affection. I'm sure your partner knows your love but never takes it for granted. Remind them. Give your loved one a hug or a kiss and always hold his/her hands. Endear your partner with words like sweetheart, my dear, my love, babe, my darling, etc. Warmth and sweetness are what keeps a relationship strong. 10. Give surprises. Relationship is not going to be exciting every day and the novelty wears off with time. Create surprises and give gifts not only on important occasions. Make your partner unexpected. This keeps the relationship strong and goes a long way. 11. Use the words, we, and, us. A relationship involves two persons. So, try to include your partners in decision making. Having a we mindset reduces the more selfish me vs you mindset. 12. Plan a trip together. It's not only that an exciting trip for just two of you can improve bonding. It's also the effort of planning and achieving something together that makes both of you understand more about each other. 13. Text each other. Texting, good morning, sweetheart, will make your partner's morning better. Let your loved one knows you think of him/her the moment you wake up and even before you go to bed. Keep daily communication going, even it's just a simple hello. Meanwhile, keep the texts fun and flirty. 14. Leave notes. A little surprise as easy as leaving a little note. You may not get to spend much time with your loved one. Why not leave a love note on her lunchbox or stick a note with a smiley face on the mirror? They are playful yet sweet actions to tell your partner you thought of them. 15. Give compliments. Praise your partner when they did something well, even though not exceptional. It will make their day and let them feel happier and more confident. Tell them when they smell or look great. Who doesn't love attention from their loved ones? 16. Keep things fun. You don't stop having fun because you get old because you stop having fun. Do something fun and ridiculous together. You will miss them when you both grow old. Besides that, keep your day-to-day conversation fun with some jokes and funny gifts so that the relationship won't go boring. 17. Get to know each other's interest. Know what makes your partner happy and be part of it if possible. Even if you can't, always show your support. Similarly, let your partner knows your interest too. Your loved one may want to do the same thing as well. 18. Get along with each other's friends and family. Be kind to your partner's friends and family. Introduce your partner to your friends and family too. This makes your loved one feel important and she is part of your life. 19. Always say thanks and please. Nobody is obliged to help you out. Always say please and thank you to shows your appreciation no matter how close both of you are. These magical words can turn demands into favors. 20. Say sorry. Admit your mistake if you have done one and take full responsibility for it. Sometimes, even though it's not your fault and both of you had a fight, taking the first move to apologize is also encouraged. Apologize for hurting your partner's feelings, then try to calm down and discuss the problem. 21. Respect each other's feelings. Everyone deserves respect, especially your partner. Always take care of each other's feelings regardless of the situation, even when fighting. Don't let anger ruins the relationship. Don't make decisions when you are angry. In addition, don't ever control or bad-mouth your loved one. 22. Always be supportive. A firm relationship stands where both of you know that you two will always have each other's back. Always give physical and emotional support wherever possible. On the other hand, always check out whether your partner is in need of help before he or she even asked. 23. Forgive and forget. Forgive and forget when your partner made a mistake. It is understandable that it's harder to let go than to hold on. Forgiveness is essential in a strong relationship, and ask for forgiveness if you've done something wrong. Again, communication is the key. 24. Stay positive with your relationship. To keep a healthy relationship, people suggested maintaining ratios like 2:1, 3:1 or 5:1 between positive experiences and negative experiences in a relationship. Why not just focus on creating more positive experiences and thoughts while forgetting the bad ones? What passed is past. 25. Compromise. You should know that both of you are not always going to see eye to eye. Disagreement will always exist in a healthy relationship, but both of you should learn to compromise. If you want everything to be done in your way, be prepared to be forever alone, because a relationship is never one way. 26. Respect each other's privacy. To build a long-lasting relationship, a couple should have no secret but always have space. Sufficient space or time for self can improve self-growth and self-reliance. This can prevent overdependence on your partner and eventually causing an unhealthy relationship. 27. Share the housework. Nobody likes housework, and it's never the responsibility of anyone in a relationship to do so. Share the housework as a home belongs to both of you. Appreciate when your partner is doing more. 28. Go to bed at the same time. If both of you are staying together, try to go to bed together. Pillow talks are often more sincere and encourages physical and emotional intimacy. A hug and a kiss before bed are always heartwarming. 29. Your partner first, before your children. Parents tend to dedicate their lives to their children and start neglecting the couple's relationship. Children are the outcome of a relationship, and the relationship should always be the priority. Parents deserve romance too. A good and healthy relationship is something a child can look up to. 30. Love yourselves. Although a relationship is more about giving than receiving, never forget to love yourself before loving others. Only when you are in a good condition, you will be able to give your best to your partner. Conclusion: don't be lazy. A strong relationship doesn't just happen. It needs a lot of effort to be maintained, especially when the sense of love fades. There will always be ups and downs, but remember, never give up on each other. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.